K-means clustering algorithm, which is a part of machine algorithm, which is unsupervised. It means there is no labeled input data. Just we have, unlabeled input data from which we can make the clusters. Based on the clusters, clusters means nothing but we will group the data together. Okay. So to implement this, we are going to use the Google Colab, and we're also using, few libraries. So first we'll import this matplotlib library to plot at the end with the different, colors. And we use this sklearn cluster to import K-means machine algorithm, and we'll import this pandas as PD. So I have a loan data.csv file, which is, sample data. So to import the file in Google Colab, we need to write, from Google Colab, import files dot upload. Once we upload that, we'll be reading this CSV using the read CSV method. Now we'll printing this TF. So this TF will include all the, columns. So we will only focus on the annual income and credit score. So what we'll be doing is we'll put taking this as an input. Okay. So we'll defining this in the X variable is equal to annual income, and also we are putting in this TF. Okay, data frame. So while X will print the X, we'll see annual income and the respective credit scores. On the basis, this comes on the basis of the data we have. After that, what we'll do is we will create an object of K-means. K-means will accept two parameters, nice clusters and the random state. Clusters are how many groups you are trying to create. So we will be storing in this K-means variable, and this is very important step. This is nothing but we are training the input using the fit method to the K-means machine algorithm. Okay. Now, when we print the labels, the groups will be like 0, 1, 2. It is nothing but it divided into three clusters. So we'll create another cluster column with these labels. Now we'll print this DF, so you can see, it clustered this like 720 as 1, 780 as 2, 550, 650 as 0, and accordingly. Okay. Once we have this, we can print the cluster centers. Centers are nothing but the centroids. So for example, we have this salary rate for 30200, we have 596.5 as credit score, and also for this one as 704, and the third one category as 772.2. So once this is done, we can plot this using the scatter method of matplotlib .py plot. So we'll have annual income, credit score. This C is nothing but DF cluster is a label. C map as rainbow colors we are using. So X label as annual income, Y label as credit score, and we're doing plt.show. So this is how we are plotting these three clusters on the basis of their annual income against the credit score. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.